Okay guys, hey, we have here a brand new 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It is in cement gray. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, and we just built it with the intentions to sell and have kind of a turnkey overland bug out vehicle ready to go. All high-end components, which I'll kind of point out here and there, but anyway, just wanted to do a little video about it and show it off a little bit. So we have obviously rigid high-end lighting. I'll try to post in the comments the more specific lighting, but we didn't cheap out, so expensive. We got the double light bar in the bumper, and then the single row up top in the Prinsu rack. But yeah, let's check it out here. Got the side LEDs as well. We got a worn winch with the Sidewinder, synthetic rope. We got full CBI skid plates and A-arm guards all the way under. We have King off-road suspension. Remote reservoir, fully adjustable. Total Chaos arms. I think it was like a 2.5 or 3 inch lift, I can't remember. TRD Pro grill, factory. Got the ARB Safari snorkel. Is it ARB? Maybe it's not. I think it is. It's a little dirty right now, but has some fuel wheels, 17-inch, and BFG KO2 all-terrains, 285, 70, 17. We have the CBI rock sliders with the top plate and a kickout. Like I said, Prinsu rack over the cab and also on the camper shell. And the camper shell is a Leer, both side windows. Has a remote lock for the rear, tied into the key fob. Has carpet kit in there, drop down front with a slider for cleaning. Super cool, super nice. Forgot the exhaust that we did. But we did do an exhaust catback. We have the Ikamper 2nd generation that just came out. King size bed, unfolds really quickly. It's huge. And then we also purchased the Annex room. So you end up getting a pretty good size room off of that for more camping or for changing. Screen room. I mean, you could turn it into a awning of sorts. So pretty versatile Annex room, I thought, is a must if you're going to be somewhere for a longer period of time. We have the CBI rear T3 bumper with dual swing outs. Obviously your straight spare. Get rid of this. And roto packs for your water and fuel. High lift jack, rattle stop, all the mount. Let's get this going here. See if I can open this dang thing. There we go. One-handed. But locks into place here. We have that locked. I'll unlock it here in a second. We do have max tracks. We have a top plate here, but you can mount your max tracks, and we do have a Pelican case for some gear that goes with it. Forgot to mention on the front here we have the Honeybadger front steel bumper. We have the little Switchpro mount. Has your all your lights. It has been re-geared. Has 488s from Nitro gear. Paired that up with the manual transmission gearing. It works pretty well. Gets way better gas mileage, better power. You're not maxed out at all. But we also added front and rear ARB lockers, air lockers, and we do have an ARB twin compressor that goes along with it. Have some deflators, brass. It's got nav, backup camera, all the goodies. Wireless charging for your phone. Rear power slider. It open. So yeah, we have the ARB twin compressor with coupler. Other than that, that's stock. Probably would upgrade to a double setup battery. Unlock. Third time's a charm here. We have the mountain hatch tailgate. Get your max tracks. The annex room. Water port shower. We haven't mounted that yet, just in case somebody may want it somewhere specific. And then your Pelican case. Trying to think if we have anything else. Anyway, if you check out our website, emmotorsboise.com, it'll have kind of a build list that I think I got all the options listed. And we do have a brand new 19 Gen 5 4Runner that's built the same, and we do have extra sets of bumpers, skids, and rock sliders from CBI. So we have a set for the Tacoma. It's the I think the mid hoop T3 front bumper from them, and then another dual swing out, and then these same rock sliders and the same full skids with A-arm guards for both the Gen 5 4Runners or the Gen 3 Tacomas. So anyway, let us know if you have any questions. Check out the website and give us a call. It's ready to go. I'll pop out the tent here in a second. I'm just gonna put the phone down. Be right back. So basically, you just unlock these, on both sides. Then pop this baby up. It's been raining for a minute here. See how I do with one hand here. So that's simple, other than popping a couple of the little awning holders for the front and the windows if you want. I'll walk in there and check it out here. All right. Let's pop in this thing here. So, little mattress. Cool world design on the back. Lots of windows, so all the windows have screens, and you can also zip up a clear plastic window so you have light, or you can have the full blackout on all three, including the front that I'm looking through here. Super cool. Check out our website because we have that annex room attached and laid out. It's pretty cool. So anyway, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for checking us out. Talk to you later.